friends, today we have discussed the next concept, nested if else statements. So what is the meaning of nested? We can check more than one condition. That time there are required to mention number of conditions or to use their number of conditions. So this is called a nested if else statement. Previous lecture we have discussed here the concept of if else statement. That means this concept there are used only one single condition or there are only check single condition, and if we can check the single condition, that time they are displayed either true part or either false. It is also called a single if statement. But sometimes user needs to check more than one condition. That time if else statement cannot provide the maximum condition checking support. So that's why C compiler to next one new available concept. It is also called as nested if else statement. So it is a it is a series of if else statements. So this is the third concept of nested if else. Firstly simple if statement, second one if else statement, and third one is there nested if else statement. So what is the syntax of nested if else statement, or what do you mean by the nested if else statement? It is a simple or it is a easy method to understand. If then if else and else if then if else. म्हणजे आपण असं म्हणतो की if मध्ये if else आणि else मध्ये if else, that is called as nested if else. So what is the syntax of nested if else? This is the syntax of nested if else. First, if first condition, then check, लगेचच दुसरी कंडिशन इथं चेक केली कंडिशन, open curly bracket, then true statement block terminated by semicolon, close curly bracket. Now next one, आता ह्या if मध्ये if else दिलाय, if condition open curly bracket, true statement block first, semicolon, curly bracket close, then if चा हा else close open केला किंवा ह्या if मध्ये else दिला तर curly bracket open, false statement block second, statement terminated by semicolon, curly bracket close. So पहा याच्यामध्ये ह्या if चा हा open केलेला curly bracket आणि हा close केलेला curly bracket. ओके, थोडंसं आपण हायलाइट करूया. Firstly, nested if else statement. If first check condition, then once again check if condition. If condition its scope is open curly bracket to close curly bracket. In between this open and close curly bracket, there is one statement that is called a true statement block terminated by semicolon. Now its else part is mentioned here, and this part is open here. Open firstly curly bracket, false statement block terminated by semicolon, and then close the curly bracket. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये जर पाहिलं तर ह्या if मध्ये if else आला आणि ह्या if चा परत इथे else घेतला आणि त्या if else मध्ये परत if else else if कंडिशन आपण इथे मेन्शन केलेली आहे. तर तिथे कसं होतं, तर else मध्ये जर आपण पाहिलं तर if कंडिशन ओपन कर्ली ब्रॅकेट, ट्रू स्टेटमेंट ब्लॉक थर्ड, terminated by semicolon, then close curly bracket, then ह्या if चा परत इथे else आला आणि else चा परत इथे false default statement block आला आणि इथं semicolon दिला, curly bracket close, statement X. This is the simple syntax of the nested if else statement. So once again I read here. Firstly, if condition first, if condition second, its scope is start, curly bracket open, true statement block first, terminated by semicolon, then close curly bracket, else, curly bracket open, false statement block second, close curly bracket, then now next one else, if condition, curly bracket open, true statement block third, terminated by semicolon, then now next one close curly bracket, else, open curly bracket, default statement block terminated by semicolon, close curly bracket, and last one statement X. This is the concept. It is this concept to represent we can check more than one condition. That means there are check 3 condition at a time, and when check the more than one condition, that means user can at a time 3 condition check and they can obtain its output. So what is the data flow diagram of this nested if else statement? I will explain here once again. This is the data flow diagram, and they can be represented as a okay. Firstly, here this is the if condition first, this is the if condition second, and this is the if condition third. Okay, that means we have checked here more than one condition. Its explanation of nested if else statement. If first check condition, conditional expression. If conditional expression first is true, then once again check if conditional expression second. If conditional expression second is true, then execute statement block and control directly transfer to the statement X. Otherwise, if first check the conditional expression second, and if conditional expression second is false, then execute statement block and control directly transfer to the statement X. Otherwise, if first check the conditional expression, and if conditional expression is firstly false, then check else if conditional expression third. If conditional expression third is true, then execute statement block and control directly goes to statement X. Otherwise, if conditional expression third is false, then execute statement block and control directly goes to statement X. Note here that when no any condition or no statement block is matched up, so last one default statement will be executed here. So this is the nested if else statement. Once again, I repeat this statement, execution of nested if else statement. Firstly, if condition first, if first check the if conditional expression first, if conditional expression first is true, then once again check if conditional expression second. If conditional expression second is true, then execute statement block and control directly goes to statement X. Otherwise, if conditional expression second is false, then execute false statement block and control go to directly statement X. Otherwise, if first check conditional expression first, and if conditional expression first is false, then it can again check if conditional expression third. If conditional expression third is true, then execute true statement block and control directly goes to statement X. Otherwise, if conditional expression third is false, then execute statement block and control directly goes to statement X. Okay, now it's once again explanation. Here, if first check the condition, if condition is true, then it will check next condition, condition 2. If condition 2 is true, statement 1 will be executed, otherwise statement 2 will be executed. If first condition is false, the statement third will be executed, and after executing, statement control is transferred to statement X. This is the simple explanation of nested if else, and its example is in this example, we have once again discussed this example. Write a program to find out greatest of three integer numbers. When find out greatest of three integer numbers, that time we can check here three conditions such as, firstly we have declared here three variable, her namely is A, B, C, and its data type is a integer. So now next one, using the clear screen function, that means they are remove previously obtained output or previously display output on our terminal. So next one, printf function. This printf function enter the three numbers. That means they are provided output message to the users from the terminals. Next one, scanf function. This scanf function provide the two different types of three format specifiers, like the first one %d, second one %i, third one %d. That means first %d indicates the address A, second one %d indicates the address B, and third one indicates the address C. Firstly we have check here if A greater than B. म्हणजे इथं जर A हा B पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर लगेच कम्पेअर केला A ला C बरोबर, कारण इथं A हा B पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर परत चेक करतो की A हा C पेक्षा मोठा आहे का. इन केस A हा जर C पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर तो काय दाखवणार इथं A इज ग्रेटर. ऑर अनदर वेज, समजा A हा B C पेक्षा लहान असेल तर ती कंडिशन काय झाली, फॉल्स. दॅट मीन्स they are executed else part and the display printf C is a greater. Suppose A आणि B बरोबर कम्पेअर केलाय A आणि B ला, आणि ज्यावेळेस A आणि B ला कम्पेअर करतोय त्यावेळेस इथं A हा फॉल्स झाला तर डायरेक्टली हा पार्ट काय केला जातो, स्किप केला जातो, आणि नेक्स्ट वन पार्ट जो आहे तो एक्झिक्यूट केला एल्स मध्ये काय यूज केला, इफ B ग्रेटर दॅन C. जर B हा C पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर तो काय डिस्प्ले करेल, B इज ग्रेटर. Otherwise they are display C is a greater. So now check here once again. Firstly A हा greater करूया, 5 चे 3 A. So A is greater. Second time B is greater करूया, 1 3 2. So here B is greater, and last one 2 3 4. So C is a greater. Okay. आता या प्रोग्राम मध्ये आपण ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ थ्री इंटिजर्स नंबर चेक केले की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपला कोड हा आपण एक्झिक्यूट करून घेतलेला आहे. सो अशा पद्धतीने इथं नेस्टेड इफ एल्स हा कन्सेप्ट संपलेला आहे. ओके, स्टॉप करूयात आपण.